In just 5 minutes, I'm going to tell you how you can enable monetization on your Facebook page and get it approved as well. Any mistake that we do during this process can impact the monetization as well. So make sure to follow each and every instruction, and welcome to Sriram Benur channel. First, let me tell you how you can check whether your page is eligible or not. So go to Facebook Creator Studio. Now once you go here, it will take to Facebook Meta Business Suite, and right on the left side click on monetization. You'll see the overview section. First thing is make sure that okay, there is no monetization violation that is there on the page. If you have any violation, then again you'll not be able to monetize. Now click on view page eligibility. Now this is where you can see which are the monetizing options that you are eligible for. So it is showing here as stars, so I'm eligible for stars, and it is showing as setup, that means you are eligible for it. Other monetization tools, so let's click on this, and these are the other monetizing options that are available, and one of the most important is in-stream ads. This is what is going to help you to generate great income from Facebook as well, where you are going to get 55% revenue share as well. Right now it says criteria not met, so let me just click on this. So what it is saying is the followers have been achieved, so you need to have 5,000 followers to monetize your Facebook page, and you need to have 60,000 minutes viewed in 60 days. Now that criteria has not been achieved, okay, and you need to be having at least 5 active videos in your Facebook page. If all these three criteria are met, you will see in-stream ads right above, below the stars or above the stars, and it says setup, okay. So again you also have similarly subscriptions and in-stream ads for live as well, okay. So if you are seeing setup here, that means it is eligible for setup. Now let me take you to a different Facebook page where it is eligible for monetization, and let me tell you the complete process of how to enable monetization on that. We need to go to view page eligibility, so just click on that. Once you do that, you see in-stream ads. Let's just click on setup. Once you do this, so again terms and conditions, we have just accepted it, okay, and there were a couple of things for you to read and accept it, so you can read and complete it. Next is set up your payout account, so that process was started, so let me just continue to that process and complete that as well. Let me click on setup account. So it says set up a payout account, add a payout account to receive the money you earn, okay. So you can add a PayPal or bank account to associate with this page. You may need your tax info, routing, and bank account numbers to set up, okay. So that's what it is saying. So this is the account, it's a creator page. I'm going to click on next. So pick up where you left. So use your saved info to quickly start earning with tools, okay. Payout account details, I'm going to select her name. I'm going to click on next. So please make sure to enter correct name, last name, and also the date of birth. So please make sure to enter the correct name as it has been given in the tax document, okay. So once you enter all these details, so just click on next. Enter business info, country as India, and business type as individual or solopreneur, okay. So solo proprietor, so this is what you need to select, okay. So all the creators, please select as individual account itself, then click on next. So please enter first name if you have the middle name, last name, date of birth, home complete address, city, pin code. Enter all those details including the PAN card number. Enter the email ID, phone number, and then tax identification number. Enter the PAN card number in this section, and right below this, please select that checkbox and then click on next. Choose how you would like to get paid. So this is where you're going to enter your bank account details, where the money is going to come to your account. So let's fill that information as well. We are going to say as manually enter link bank account details. So please make sure to enter the details in the correct way. First is select the country, then enter the account holder name. This should be exactly the way it is given in your bank statement or in your bank as well, okay. So please make sure to enter that name, then SWIFT code. So please contact your bank to get the SWIFT code. This is one of the most important information that they need to transfer money to your bank account. So please do contact your bank, they will be able to help you with the Swift code for your particular branch as well. Then enter the account number, double check it 3 times. Once you're done with that, click on link payout method. Add your tax info. You can do this at a later point in time, so just click on add later, and I have created a separate video on how to do this entire steps as well. I'm giving the video link in the end screen and also in the video description for you to watch. And again, so it is saying right now, you're all set to earn right now. Manage your payout account, update payout settings. If you want to update, you can do that. Again, see when you're going to get paid. Once your earning crosses beyond $100, that's when you're going to earn as well. So just click on done. Then click on done at the bottom. Yes, so it's all done, and click on submit for review. Your submission was received. In just a couple of days, it will be enabled and you will start seeing the dollars on your videos as well. I believe this video was informative. If yes, then please do give a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel if you are not already done, so that you don't miss any informative videos. Also, I given the link on how to fill the tax details, so just click on this info link to watch a complete video so that you can complete the steps as well. See you in the next video. Bye for now. I am Sriram Benur.